You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dog breed, and we'll be looking at how to say more dog breed names that too many people struggle with. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Cocker Spaniel. It's easy. Cocker Spaniel, not Spaniel or Spaniel. Spaniel. Cocker Spaniel. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I do appreciate your support. It helps me a lot. Appreciate it. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.